Good morning! Welcome to another episode of J&B Tuning. Guess what, guys? I got a Resonator Delete for you behind me here. As you can see, I'll be installing it today and see how it sounds. And I'll check back to you in a bit. So what's recommended here basically is that you measure about 5.5 inch from the brace here. See if it match here. Yeah, it's perfect. Just right on there. So just gauging from where the actual hanger will sit here, and sounds like a plan. All right, next step here, guys, is to cut this baby out. Basically, I got this pipe cutter here, and what we'll need to do is set to wrap this around. Match it where that line is. All right, it's the moment of truth. Let's see. Okay, that should be all good here. There we go. Just a bit of water on the pipe. Strangely enough. Alright, that should be all good. Nice. So next step here is that I'm gonna be undoing the band clamp up top there, and this whole thing should come off. Alright, time to undo the band clamp. Tight. Very tight. There you go. All right. All right. For the time being, just need to secure this pipe here before it falls off. There we go. All right. There we go. So we need to cut it a bit more. I don't think it's severed quite yet. a little bit more. There we go. Finally. Should be all out. Wonderful. Okay, just gotta get that hanger out and away we go. So the next step, guys, is to just get that hanger out of there. Just basically, I just gotta get a plier here, and then it should come off. Off we go. For our replacement, just have two. Alright, so just need to get the band clamp on this other one. Just gotta put the band clamp. Right, folks, as you can see, oops, where is this? Alright folks, as you can see, the band clamp is on this side towards the downpipe. So just to position it a little bit closer to this side. Okay, and then now the hanger is on as well. Gotta push that in a little bit more. And of course, finally, we got our, oops, pretty tight here. So the other band clamp, which is the 70 mil, and that's the 65 mil over there, 70 mil on this side. So you just have to tighten it up, tighten this whole thing up, and we should be all good from here. Alright folks, it's pretty much done. As you can see here, band clamp's on, hanger's on, so we'll fire it off and see how it sounds like.